Hi guys, Chova here. Another quick video. Just give you an idea of how I find things. I am trying to figure out how to enable Prettier in VS Codium, which is the fork of VS Code that strips out all the Microsoft garbage for tracking you. So if you want to use that, check it out. It's the same app. Just doesn't have all the telemetry that we don't want. But anyway, I'm trying to get this thing to format. See how this markup is not well nested? So I have Prettier. It's getting an error. Why is it getting an error? Unused selector. Just trying to debug this. I got it working on my machine, but I had to reinstall the OS. And I usually spend a couple days trying to figure out how to get it all working. I wish I could just save these things to the cloud and never think about it again, but enable Prettier with svelte VS Code. See what we get. I need to install this damn thing. I think I have this. Oh, there we go. I just had to install that. So I was missing a plugin in the Node project. I'll put a link to this in the video. Now it works. You can see when I saved, it reformatted everything. And in my package.json, it added this Prettier plugin svelte. That's what I needed. So, there you have it. Okay, that was a quick fix. Just gotta use your brain once in a while and you get through the hard stuff. Alright, see you guys. Bye.